Good afternoon. I'm Shankar from Digitalglobe. I have been working in remote sensing, GIS, and e-governance solutions for the last 2 decades. I had the opportunity to work as a ISRO systems engineering group head, and I have worked on IRS satellites, setting up regional remote sensing centers, and a number of other projects with the government and the industry. Now I've been with Digitalglobe, a premier satellite imagery solution provider. What we do is we operate a number of very high resolution satellites. You can see the constellation of satellites starting from 1 meter to sub-meter. What does it mean to a common man or a government? Satellite imagery gives you the exact situation of any particular land or an object, the entire Earth, how it looks today, how it was looking yesterday, and it helps you to plan for tomorrow. There are a number of platforms from which one can collect imagery. One is ground platform, another is aerial, third is satellite. The advantage of satellite is it is a large swath, and its repetition to monitor is very high. So in order to get a very precision, once you get an image, you can take an image even from your photograph, but what you do with that? Any imagery, it has to be registered with a map. You should know on this planet Earth where exactly that object or that land it is looking, so that once you register to a map, you can do a lot of things over that. So in order to get a very precision imaging system, you should have a very advanced satellite system with very high controlled system. So there are a number of satellites. Why Digitalglobe has invested, each satellite costs almost $1 billion. Why? What it makes its imagery much better than other satellites is its positional accuracy, its geometry, its radiometry, and the information content. There are a number of satellites, as I said, costing from $1, less than $1 per square kilometer to $50 per square kilometers. It is the information content and the accuracy. The next generation satellite, what we are coming, is Worldview 3 with 16 bands. It has got 8 bands in the near infrared, visible, and 8 bands in middle infrared. Why? Because over the years, people have used this not only for resources, for also security and other applications. The information-rich content, what you are going to get from these type of satellites, has got a number of applications. Land record is one of the important things where this audience are today here to know how this satellite imagery will be useful for this national project. This is an example, just I'm trying to give you why we have built 16 channels in 2 meters. Because there are different themes, start from the coastal to the geological applications, you will be able to get information. So this is the most advanced commercial satellite which will be flown in the year 2014. So, and another important thing, people are telling, I have ordered data last year, I didn't get. One is government mechanism, another is satellites by itself has got certain repeativity, and it is agility. So unless it can very fast scan and take the image, you will not be able to collect, especially in the stereo mode. So these satellites are very highly agile, and those control systems, what it has got, is something unique in the world. Coming to the accuracies, see, this is the type of accuracies. When you take an image from 700 kilometers, without any ground control point, with our own system corrected, this is the type of thing what you can get. And with ground control point, you can get sub-meter accuracy. And we do have